This is probably one of the most important videos you're probably going to see in 2020 or in the past few years. You're going to wish you should have done this sooner. And I have a little exercise for you that's going to really clear things up and why this is so important. I'm also going to show you a solution that you can use in your life to protect yourself. Most people, and what I found working with a lot of real estate investors, is they tend to use some really cheesy passwords. So I'm going to show you right now how you can avoid that and secure your life. It's a free tool that you can use in your life. You can go there right now. It's howsecureismypassword.net. howsecureismypassword.net. I'll put the link in the description if you just want to click on it and not type on it, right? And you come up to this How Secure Is My Password website, and here is a bar that you can type in your password. I mean, for any account that you have right now, maybe it's your bank password or whatever it is, just type it in right now. Did you know that majority of people in the world, you can go Google this if you want, the majority of people in the world have their password as password. Like, no joke. Ready? Watch how secure password is. P-A-S-S-W-O-R-D. Password. Now it tells you right here, your password be instantly cracked, like instantly. So don't do those things. It's giving you some tips and advice. Mix it up a little bit. All right, let's mix it up a little bit. Let's try mixing it up. Ready? Watch this. Let's try password 123. A lot of people do this. It would take a computer about a month to crack your password. Whew, okay, so let's change it up. First of all, my biggest recommendation is don't type the word in password. Horrible thing. If you're a fan of The Office, you've probably seen them type in explicitives. You can do that too. But let me give you an example of just another simple password that people tend to use. Like their birthday, their street address, their daughter, son, or wife's name. Please don't do that. I know it may be easy for you because it's simple to remember because it's your address and all that. But those are the things that most hackers will look for. They will actually look for those specific things, especially if they have multiple data points on you and they know things about you. Then guess what? They are going to figure it out. They'll crack the code. Okay, it doesn't take that much effort. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another password. Just off the top of my head, I'm going to use a street name. Okay, so I'm going to type in first the 3 numbers, then the street name. I'm going to capitalize the H. Okay. And then I'm going to put in 1, 2, 3 pound. That is a 3-digit address, then the street name with a capital H, and then I typed in 1, 2, 3 hashtag or pound. And now it says it would take a computer about 16 billion years to crack your password. You see how more secure that is? Okay, now I want to show you a website that can help save your mind. Okay, it can help save your mind and a lot of energy on thinking of passwords. This website right here is called LastPass. There will also be a link in the description that you can click on and use for your life. This will simplify your online life. The greatest part about LastPass is that all you have to do is remember one master password. It will be the last password you'll ever have to remember ever again. That's why it's called LastPass. So you can check out this website. You can see how it works and how it generates passwords. And I'm going to show you an example. Let me just move this down here. See this little extension? See this little icon right here? It's a Chrome extension. And when you click on it, it does it for you. You can pick how long you want your password to be. You can pick if you want 7 or 17. Now listen, see all those different numbers and uppercase, lowercase, and symbols? You see all that? You don't have to generate that. Let the computer do it for you. Here's a little tip. Try to keep your passwords over 16 digits long. You don't want to do something that's 48 because or big numbers, okay, like 30, 40, and 50. Because the reality is most computer program softwares out there can't hold that big of a password. So what you'd want to do, I think most companies, what they do is anywhere between 16 and I believe it's like 28 or 30, somewhere in there. So try to keep it somewhere along the lines. I would say maybe if you want to do like 20 characters, then fine, keep it that way. And then I would recommend use all characters and select all of these, okay? This makes it a super strong password, and you can recreate these as many times as you need to. I'm gonna click copy right now, and then I'm gonna go back to that website. I'm back here at the website at how secure is my password. I'm gonna copy and paste that in, and look how strong this password is. I think what we say, 16 characters or 18 characters, whatever it is, 43 quadrillion years to crack your password. This is huge, right? So that's the kind of passwords that you want to have in your life to secure your personal and business life, so that you don't get hacked and all your information's gone away. You know, I find it so interesting that most people will buy all this home security cameras, they'll put alarms on their cars and all this stuff and secure everything they have physically, but they don't secure their digital life. And your digital life these days is the number one thing that's going to get hacked. So I highly encourage you to get LastPass. Click on the links below. It'll help you get started. And then you can protect your life and be more safe, okay? And this is just a very powerful tool that you need to have. If you found this video helpful, give it a like so I know, or leave some comments below if you end up using LastPass. I'd like to know. Okay.
It's time to fire your boss. That's right. You heard me straight. It's time to fire your boss. Check it out. I'm here in beautiful São Miguel, Azores Islands, one of 9 islands. What you're seeing behind me is one of the crater lakes, and there's mountains all the way around. Absolutely beautiful here today. I literally just took a few moments to get off a call with one of our clients who is in the same position, trying to fire his boss. And he enrolled into our coaching program and just wanted to make a big difference in his life. And I know there's a lot of people out there who want to make a difference in their lives and in their families' lives and other people's lives, and giving and caring about other people as well. At the same time, you want to make a change in your own life. You want to do something different. You wanted to make an impact in your life, that you want to take your life to that next level, to do things that you never thought or just maybe dreamed of. This is the business for you. You know, 15 years ago when I first started real estate investing, I was broke, working 3 jobs, never wanted anything else than just money. That's all I cared about, was just money. That was it, because I was so broke and tired, and I was fed up with the bosses that I had. And one day I asked my manager of the entire store, and I said, "Hey man, how much money do you make?" And he said, $60,000 a year. When I had just come from a real estate event the prior weekend, and they were telling me I could make 6 figures, multiple 6 figures in a year. Immediately, when he told me he made 60,000, I immediately said, "I'm giving you my 2 weeks notice. I'm out of here." He was shocked. He was shocked because I had just, I think a week or 2 earlier, I had become the manager of the men's department in the store. And I worked so hard to get there. It took me months. I had to go through training and all this stuff. But he was shocked. He's like, "What are you talking about? What's up? Why are you not doing this?" And I said, "I found a better opportunity." He said, "What?" I said, "Real estate investing." He's like, "Real estate investing?" He's like, "Don't you need a license?" I said, "No, there's a way I can do it without a real estate license." And he said, "But why are you going to do that? How much money can you make?" I said, "From what I saw, I said 6 figures and above." And he just laughed at me. He's like, "You'll never make that kind of money." Now, why he laughed at me, I'm not sure. Maybe he was embarrassed or shy or whatever. Maybe he thought it was a scam. Either way. But I'll tell you this, those 6 figures have come true many times. If you've been following me, you know my lifestyle. You know I travel internationally. I invest in 3 different countries, and I'm able to not have to wake up or deal with a boss. This is my boss right here. Saying, "Come to me, come enjoy me, come and have a good time and enjoy nature." That's my boss. The demand of the hills, the demand of the mountains. Oh, it's so difficult. But for the past few years, I've been investing internationally, and I absolutely love it. It gives me the opportunity not only to experience new cultures, but also to travel anywhere I want, when I want, with who I want, preferably my family. And they're right over here in the car waiting to go get some ice cream. So we're gonna go do that. I just wanted to share this video with you as a reminder that you need to flip the switch. You need to take action in your life. You need to do something different. Otherwise, you'll just keep doing the same thing, waking up to the alarm clock, going to the job that you hate, and doing that repetitively over and over and over again. And if you continue to do that, you'll end up noticing that years will go by, months and moments. You'll miss out on some of the most amazing things in this world, the most beautiful things in this world. So don't take much longer. This is a new year. Don't take much longer to make that change. Even though it's scary, even though it's a challenge, even though it's a hurdle, at times, sometimes it's the biggest thing. Make sure you get a coach and a mentor that can help push you and guide you and help you avoid costly mistakes. You don't want to get into costly mistakes, but you also want to be in the best investment opportunity, the best investment wealth vehicle than anything else, and that's real estate investing. Go out there, make something happen, get more deeper into this business. And I can tell you the truth, when you get deeper, you'll find me. I'll be right there. I'll be by your side.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts.
Yeah, my first check, you guys. Can you see that? $34,000.
You can do this. I believe in you. 2, 3. You can do this. I believe in you. All right, give yourself. Just do it. Just do it.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts.
Right, so we made it to the equator. We just there's some girls right there. Sorry, I'm in the way. There's the equator line.
You're gonna love that. It's got a pit in it.
This is moonshine from the south.
It's got a pit. Isn't that delicious?
What is that? That is nasty.
I don't know what the answer.
Take my
Somebody's
hand,
missing.
we'll
Nathan,
make it
Nathan.
somehow. We can't miss out.